Allylic Halogenation. Here is an alkene. Here is the vinyl location. Here is the allyl location. We have a way to go from here to here. This is very useful because you know probably a dozen things that you can do with a halogen, and you just created it from nothing, so there is no downside to this. What we're going to be using here is NBS. What? NBS, which is N-bromosuccinimide. That looks something like one, two, three, four, five. Like that. Not something like that. I'm pretty sure it looks exactly like that. You're also going to have to use HNu, which is chemistry shorthand for light. What the light does, it's going to cleave this bond here homolytically to make a radical. This is going to be one of the few radical mechanisms that you are aware of. Why does it add allylically? Because the radical that's going to form here in a second, is going to be stabilized through conjugation. Mechanism. So if I just continue from that guy, that will give us, I'm going to call it MBS dot because I'm lazy. You'll also get a BR dot. This hydrogen, there's 2 electrons in every bond. One of them will go on to the carbon. The other one will meet up with the bromine. This was the initiation step. We are about to propagate this radical. This is going to give you a radical dot, an HBr, and you still have this MBS plus. Now, although it's a 1-to-1 equivalent ratio, it doesn't mean you literally have one molecule and one molecule. It means you have like a couple billion trillion molecules and a couple of other billion trillion molecules. So you're not allowed to be surprised when I say another BR dot comes in and makes a carbon-bromine bond. The way that this stops happening is that you'll either get a bunch of BR2 or NBS bonds. All the radicals will just keep joining together until you're out of radicals. But the most favored part at the end of this is just going to be your allylically brominated alkene plus your NBS, except you lost your B, so I guess it's just succinimide. Google if that's the actual molecule name. These will be your 2 products by the end of it. If on the test you see something like the test, like there's like one test to end them all, NCS, that'd be N-chlorosuccinimide. You shouldn't be surprised by that. It's going to go through the exact same mechanism, except instead of a BR, you have a Cl there.